Good evening, sir. I am a student of MSc Management. My BPP number is BP02433350. The topic of my presentation is Global Strategy and Sustainability of Amazon.com. Now we can have look at the PPT. In this PPT, we are going to cover this aspect: introduction, critical analysis and evaluation of external environment, critical analysis and evaluation of internal environment, critical analysis and evaluation of CSR and sustainability, evaluation of implication and impact of both on Amazon.com, recommendations for global development, recommendations for sustainability, conclusion, references. Now I am moving for the next slide. Firstly, I talk about the introduction. Amazon.com is American multinational technology which is situated in Seattle, Washington. The company is basically focused on cloud computing, artificial intelligence, e-commerce and so on. The current strategic position of Amazon is as manager. Company uses positioning strategy for satisfy the demand and desires according to their preferences for customers. There are various challenges which is faced by organization as international performance, like rivals at bay, balancing investment versus profits and many more. The next slide is critical analysis and evaluation of external environment. There is also recommendations are there for global development and sustainability are included in this report. It has been analysis and evaluation of external analysis environment with the help of PESTEL analysis. The full form of PESTEL is political, economic, social, technological, environmental, legal. With the help of Porter's 5 forces, it is evaluated as competitive rivalry is high because there are large number of competitors as there in markets such as Flipkart, eBay and so on, which so become threat for company. For example, PESTEL analysis first is political. Amazon company fully follow the rules and regulations according to the government. Next, technological. Amazon.com update technology according time to time. Social. During festival seasons, Amazon company available discounts on different varieties of products for customers. Legal. They can follow the rules and regulation. The next slide is critical analysis and evaluation of internal environment. In terms of Amazon.com, this model is used for analysis internal environment of companies McKinsey 7S framework. This framework 7 internal elements such as strategy, structure, system, style, share value, skills and staff in such manner which help in identify as they are aligned effectively and also company for attainment of goals. There is foster of creation of innovation in their product in such manner as they are satisfy the needs and wants of customers. The next slide is critical analysis and evaluation of CSR and sustainability. Amazon is taking various several steps in context of making their business as more sustainable. This organization is also offering resources to other organizations which help for attainment for sustainability targets. With use of innovations and technology, organizing is using people and agencies for working in such manner that making planet a safe place for live. The next slide is evaluation of implication and impact of both on Amazon.com. There is many positive and negative impact of models which are used for analysis the internal and external environment of company. Models are very essential as they identify opportunities and threats for company. With the help of there is data initiative which is provided to innovators and researchers for assessing the large database system for company. Next is recommendations for global development. Amazon.com company is a global development company. They use low cost structure for improving the competitive advantage and profitability. This company also use increased economies of scale which help in enhancing overall efficiency. Amazon should have to develop new product according to their customer preferences and desires. Recommendations for sustainability. Sustainability is crucial for Amazon due to customer care. There must be reduction in amount of packaging for their products. There must be shift of mono materials. There must be installing renewable energy such as solar panels using hybrid or electrical vehicles and so on. Conclusion. It has been concluded from the above report as there are various positive and negative impact on internal and external environment by using pastel analysis and McKinsey 7S model. There is also critical analysis of CSR and sustainability which have positive impact on company. There is also threat for company like as eBay and Flipkart. This Amazon company is also adopt strategy for homeless and needy people. There are also recommendations are given in terms of sustainability and global development of organization. Thank you.